are standing at DMK headquarters. We could see that DMK headquarters have turned into a celebratory mood. All the DMK cadres have started coming to the DMK headquarters, and we could see because the early trends show that DMK Alliance is leading around 35 seats out of 39 seats in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. So the cadres have started coming into the DMK headquarters. We are expecting that DMK chief MK Stalin will also come to the headquarters anytime soon, and he will address the media here. In Tamil Nadu, it's not just the parliament election. In Tamil Nadu, even around 22 assembly constituencies are also going for by-elections. So when the entire country is waiting for the new government in centre, Tamil Nadu is also waiting to see whether there would be any change in the state government also. If at all DMK could sweep all the 22 by-election, 22 assembly constituencies in the by-election, they have a chance of coming back to power in the state also. We tried speaking to DMK senior leader and Rajya Sabha MP Tiruchi Siva. We asked him whether DMK is very confident of coming back to power in Tamil Nadu. He is very confident. He is saying that DMK will do exceedingly well. Even this is just a lead, and they are saying that even the results will resonate the same, that DMK will sweep entire 39 seats in Tamil Nadu. DMK Alliance will sweep entire 39 seats in Tamil Nadu in Lok Sabha, and he is also confident that they would win all the 22 assembly seats also.